Hi friends, welcome to another level 2 class. Today we will be talking about CIA triad, that is confidentiality, integrity and availability. So friends, CIA triad is the basic of cybersecurity. Now triad means a triangle, you can say. So we normally show it like this, that these are the three corners of cybersecurity, and that is CIA. And this is the basis of cybersecurity. That is, every organization has to focus on these three things to ensure cybersecurity. Now, what exactly is CIA triad? So I'll tell you. So C stands for confidentiality, I stands for integrity, and A stands for availability. So these are the basic three components which is mandatory for any organization to work smoothly. Apart from this, there are still many other parameters like authentication, authorization. We will be talking about all this stuff later on. We will now focus only on CIA triad. So I will give you a very simple example to explain confidentiality, integrity and availability. So let's say you go to a bank. You have an account here in this bank. Now you may be having some amount in your account. So would you be happy if everybody in the world knows how much amount is this? Definitely not, because this information is confidential. This is known as confidentiality. That is, it is the duty of this bank to keep this information confidential. Now, what if the bank releases this information on regular basis to everybody? Definitely nobody would like to open an account in such a bank. So this is known as confidentiality. That is, the information should be in the hands of only selected people, or you can say information should be only restricted to the authorized people. That is known as confidentiality. Now talking about the other thing, and that was integrity. Now we just talked about amount. Let's say it is some amount. Now this amount should remain constant all the time. That is, there could be a very minor changes. Let's say for some small ATM card charges, there could be some deductions, or maybe some interest may add up. But still, let's say if you have 10K, it cannot become 8K all of a sudden, and it cannot become 12K all of a sudden. That is, this 10K information, that is, this value should remain constant or should not change as per time without any authentic reason. So that means this information is not changing, or is changing only when there is a valid reason. So this is known as integrity. That is, the information is authentic and is integral. Now talking about the availability. So availability means anytime you go to bank, you get access to your information, right? So this means whenever you go to the bank, of course in working hours only, you have access to the information. That is, the information is always available to you. What if you visit a website and the website says, sorry, we are not available right now? It really makes everybody very uncomfortable and very unpleasant. So that is known as availability. That is, information should be available at all the times as and when required. Now we just talked about CIA, confidentiality, integrity and availability. This CIA is attacked from many directions. Hackers constantly keep attacking on CIA. That is, some attacks would be exclusively on C, some attacks could be exclusively on integration, or maybe some attacks could be exclusively on integration and availability. So these are the prime heroes which are being attacked all the times, and it is the duty of you and me and future cybersecurity specialists to protect CIA. In next videos, I will talk in detail about CIA. I hope you like this video. We'll meet again in next video. See you and bye-bye.